Do you like going on picnics? Listen to this story about a picnic and learn how to use tag questions for positive statements in the simple present and past. Last weekend, my friend Sarah and I planned a picnic for our friends.
Where should we buy food for the picnic?
Let's go to the farmer's market in the park. We went there last time we had a picnic, didn't we?
Yes, we did. They have great food there, don't they?
Yes, they do.
What do you think we should buy?
Let's buy some pie. All our friends like it, don't they?
They do. And we should buy some fruit too. It looks good, doesn't it?
Yes, let's buy that too. So what are tag questions? Tag questions are short questions that we put at the end of a statement. We use tag questions when we want someone to confirm or agree with something that we think is true. In tag questions in the simple present, we use do or does plus the subject. He likes apples, doesn't he? In tag questions in the simple past, we use did plus the subject. They went to the picnic, didn't they? When a statement is positive, its tag question is negative. They live here, don't they? Here are some more examples. You teach in the evenings, don't you?
Yes, I do.
They went to the party, didn't they?
Yes, they did.
Now it's your turn. Click pause and add a tag question to each statement. This is American English. Thank you for watching.